Hi, I'm Sharvari Bhalerao. Originally, I'm from Mumbai. I live here in village close to Düsseldorf with my family. I am a nutritionist by profession, specialized in Ayurveda. I'm also a dance teacher and I run a Kathak school over here in this studio of mine. Today, I'm going to show you a few places of interest in Düsseldorf which are also personally very close to my heart. We are standing here right in the heart of the Düsseldorf city, what we traditionally called it as Düsseldorf Altstadt, which is not just famous for the Altstadt name, but also for the Alt beer that the Uriger produces over here. So Uriger is the Düsseldorf brewery. So they produce the top fermented craft beer and they use the Uriger yeast for it. So it is a long tradition of making the beer over here. So right now, as you can see, there are many people around me. It's very crowded over here because of the football matches happening and Germany is playing today. And so all the fans are heading to the public viewing in one of the screens around this region. That's also one of the highlights. Public viewing is a lot of fun, especially with a beer in the hand like Uriger, or to the next destination that I'm going to show you, the Killepitch. Another major highlight of Düsseldorf is the Killepitch. It's a specialty liquor which was made many years ago by two friends. They were actually hiding, taking shelter from the bombing that was going on in the World War. And they thought that they are going to be killed today. And therefore they decided that, okay, let's bet if we survive today, we will create a liquor that we will call as a Killepitch. And so indeed they survived and they created this liquor that they call Killepitch. And after years, they have also now come up with varieties like apple pitch, gin pitch, etc. So it's an amazing herbal liquor, which is a must try. I'm at Karlsplatz in Düsseldorf. This Karlsplatz has been here since the 18th century. In the beginning, it used to be used for the troops, and then later on, it actually got the look of the market. Germany has a tradition of Wochenmarkt. Wochenmarkt is kind of a weekly market where you can buy fresh grocery from around the region, and this Karlsplatz is actually a daily Wochenmarkt. That means it's open every single day, and the speciality is that you get to buy high quality. This is the motto of Karlsplatz. The quality is extremely important for meat, for vegetables, for fresh flowers and fruits. So not just that, but there are also around 50 or 60 stalls together where you can also eat international varieties. So if you are a foodie, if you would like to try the best falafel ever, or if you would like to try some Indian samosas or Japanese food, then this is a place you should be, where you can enjoy the flair of the typical German atmosphere. So here we are standing on the Königsallee, popularly called as the Kö. It is the second biggest luxury shopping street after London, I believe, and you will find every brand possible where you can come, shop, relax a cup of coffee, and also relax some nice restaurants around. This used to be called the Kastanienallee way back until the middle of the 19th century, and then due to historical reasons the name got changed to Königsallee, which is also a common meeting point for friends. The two bridges that you see here on Königsallee, they used to be the toll collection points. This is also a very special place in every season actually, not just in summer, but also in Christmas. You can come here to enjoy the Christmas markets. Here we are standing in Shadow Arkaden, which is a very popular mall right in the heart of the city. You may quickly get lost over here because of all the lovely brands and the shopping, but I don't want to talk about the branded shopping here. I would rather want to show you the Theater an der Kö, which is a point of cultural interest for me personally and for all the residents in Düsseldorf. We organize a lot of musical concerts or some very famous shows which are of interest for Marathi or Indian community in Theater an der Kö, where also my group sometimes performs on Kathak pieces. So this is one of the major spots in the Düsseldorf Old City, directly by the Rhine River. The Rhine River is one of the very important major rivers in Europe, and it is also the longest running river in Europe. So this Rhine River is not just a place of recreation where we all friends often come to take a walk or to eat in one of the famous restaurants, but it is also a major route for transport of goods. So behind me you can see the Oberkassler Bridge. It is one of the three main bridges in Düsseldorf which go over the Rhine, and it is the oldest bridge of all the bridges in Düsseldorf, and also the first one where the road was started for cars to drive or also for the trams to go. For us from Marathi Mitra Mandal, and for me it is a major location all set for the parade or for the procession which we carry out for the Ganesh Chaturthi. So these were the 5 hotspots of Düsseldorf city that I showed you. I hope you come to Düsseldorf soon, visit these places, and hope you also meet in the Tal School of Dance Düsseldorf to dance with me or to dance with them.